Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that lots of people use and it's probably sitting in your garage right now, WD-40. It's one of those household staples that people swear by. But what does it actually do, and is it really as useful as everyone says? Let's break it down. First, quick clarification. WD-40 is not primarily a heavy-duty lubricant. The name literally stands for water displacement, 40th formula. It was originally designed to prevent corrosion by pushing moisture away from metal surfaces. Over time, people discovered it also works great for loosening rusted parts, stopping squeaks, and cleaning grime, which is why it became a toolbox essential. Now let's talk real-world use. This is where WD-40 shines. Spray it on a rusted bolt, let it sit for a few minutes, and it penetrates into the threads. When you try again, the bolt usually comes loose much easier. It's not magic, but the difference is noticeable. Door hinge squeaking, quick spray, move the hinge back and forth, and the sound disappears almost instantly. It's one of the fastest fixes you can do. WD-40 is also great for cleaning metal surfaces and rust removal. It helps break down grease and surface rust. Spray it on, wipe it off with a cloth, and you'll see improvement right away. If you've got tools exposed to humidity, a light coating can help protect them from corrosion. It's especially useful in garages or sheds where moisture builds up, so it's wonderful for moisture protection. The can design is simple but effective. The straw attachment is a big plus because you can switch between a wide spray and a precision stream. That makes it easy to hit tight spaces like small bolts or narrow hinges without spraying everything around it. It's beginner friendly too. You don't need special tools or complicated instructions. Spray, wait, wipe. Now here's what WD-40 is not great for. It's not meant to be a long-term lubricant for things like bike, chains, heavy machinery, or high friction moving parts. For that, you'll want a dedicated grease or lubricant. Also, it has a noticeable smell, so use it in a ventilated area. And because it's oil-based, avoid overspraying near delicate finishes or electronics. If you're a homeowner, do it yourself, or just someone who likes being prepared, WD-40 is absolutely worth having. It solves small everyday problems fast, like stuck screws, squeaks, rusty tools without much effort. Even if you only use it a few times a year, it pays for itself. Overall, WD-40 lives up to its reputation. It's versatile, reliable, and incredibly practical. It's not a miracle product, but for general maintenance and quick fixes, it's hard to beat. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, check out the link in the description.